Annamarie, one of your Westerville librarians, so excited to bring you a rhyme perfect for babies and toddlers. This is The Rain is Falling Down. We're going to be using our fingers to show our rain falling down, giving a big splash, and then using just one finger on each hand to pitter, patter on our laps. We're also going to be playing a little bit of peekaboo with our hands and the sun. Let's get started. We'll do this twice. The rain is falling down, splash. The rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, the rain is falling down, splash. The sun is peeking out, peek. The sun is peeking out, peek. Peekaboo, peekaboo, the sun is peeking out, peek. Let's get started with our rain again. The rain is falling down, splash. The rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, the rain is falling down, splash. The sun is peeking out, peek. The sun is peeking out, peek. Peekaboo, peekaboo, the sun is peeking out,